Good evening, guys. Last lock that I can pick from Mexico, and it's this very nice, very interesting Lobo cylinder. You can see it here. Very nice looking. It says that it's the 35 millimeter, so they made a mistake and moved it from 40 to 35 millimeter. Kind of a small lock. They say that it's made in Taiwan. And what is interesting about this small Lobo is that it's actually a cross lock. And yes, I assume with the tool, the cross tool, which I don't have with me just now, it will be really easy to open, to rake open. But since I don't have this tool, I will have to single pin pick it. However, before that, in such locks, usually they cut down on the pins. Let's say they don't put pins on one side or put less pins than advertised. However, not the case with this Lobo. There are actually 4 times 3 pins on each side. So it's true, all of the possible chambers are populated, which actually makes me happy. So enough chit chat, let's try and pick this lock on camera and see how camera shy it is. Maybe I will rotate the camera just a little bit so that I can give you a better view. And let's see what's going on. So starting from the top, then going to the right, then going to the left. Okay, there was some clicks here. Let's see what's going on the bottom. So the last, so 3, pin 2 and 3 gave a click, a very significant one on the side. Number 2 is now binding, 3 is binding. I felt slight rotation on the core. So 1 on the top is binding, and there we go. The lock is open. So although the multiple pins just slowly go through each stack, the pins are not of the highest quality and best tolerances, so in just a few rounds you can open this lock. Very pretty logo, I really like it. I also think that it might be possible to shim this lock. I'm not sure if there's a locking mechanism on both sides, but the gap is reasonably wide, so I think we can even shim it. But anyway, it was a pretty lock again that I found here, and I was able to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep it legal. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.